Hey guys, how you doing today? It's me, Kelly. So today I want to show you guys, I got a rack, random act of kindness in the mail from trucker Janie, and she was so freaking sweet to me. I just told her, I'm like, no more, because she spoiled me. So let me show you what I got, and I'm so thankful. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna get it all out. Okay. So, I know I felt something else. Get all these papers out in case there's any of her information. She went to town. She really... Okay. So, first, I got a package, and it was these stencils, which I cannot wait to rip open, but I wanted to wait until I did a video to thank her. There are 30 stencils in here. I'm so freaking excited. So, let me just try to go through some. I love these. I love using these for clay and obviously, you know, art, jewelry. But I mean, look. Do you see that? Just gonna go through a few. I'm so excited. Look at that. Oh my God. I'm so excited. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, I can't. I'm just gonna go from this. I'm gonna turn it and do this. Look at how freaking, look at this. Look. Oh my God, I am so blessed. Janie, thank you so much. I could go through all these, but you will see me use them, so I'm so freaking excited. Okay, I'm gonna get these away. And they're good quality plastic. They're not like thin or even too hard, you know? Sometimes you just don't like it too hard. Alright. Okay, so I'll just set these here and deal with them after. Then she sent these, which are die cuts, and I'm going to get my machine out. We're going to do them. But they are like of little girls in there. I mean, come on. Look at another paper. This one has an umbrella and a coat. How freaking cute. I can't wait. Some flowers. Another cute little girl with a dress. I can't wait to use these. And then another one. Look how cute with a hat. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait. Cannot wait. So many things to do with them. And then these cute little, like, you cut them out into like little doilies. Like, you know how we get the big doilies and stuff? And I just saw, I call her Aja, but I think it's, I don't know if it's Aja, AJA. Anyway, you know who you are. But she had done really cool things with the doilies and all, and I'm horrible with names, so. But look at this. All these different shapes and stuff like that. And then she sent some, like clear acetate, which I love, if I can open it. So I believe that's what this is. Funny enough, with the doing the alcohol inks and everything, I should have had Dave open all these before I started. Oh, awful. Awful. Well, my nails broke and I gotta fix that, and my hands aren't working today, and I feel like an oil slick. Anything else I can complain about? Probably. Okay. Oh my freaking God, get out there. So, they're different. Let's see what these are. Are they envelopes for these? Oh, what? No way. No way. I'll put them in a folder. I gotta get in here. I thought it was something different, but it goes to show you that I am a Sunad. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. So exciting. Alright, let me throw all my little pieces away. So when I open them, I can store them in here. Janie, thank you. I really I thought this was, like plastic acetate kind of stuff, But it is, but not in the sense I thought. So I am so excited because I can put a lot of stencils. I mean, all those stencils that she gave me, all those die cut. Oh my gosh. Where did she even get this? These are fantastic. Oh my gosh. So once I open it, I always have a place to put it back. And I can see what's in it. And then you clip it in. Oh my God. I can be a little organized because I need organization so badly. Oh, I'm so excited. And then the different sizes. I can put the stencil. Okay. All right. I'm probably not even going to need that because I'll be using them. Oh my gosh, Janie. Thank you so very much. I am so excited. So let me see. Let's open this one just to see. Does it have an opening? Come on, sis. Work for me, work for me. Okay. Okay. So it would be the head, which I have to take that off. I'm not going to fuss too much. And then we could do a really cute dress with a piece of, whatchamacallit, scrapbook paper. Oh my God. Her little legs. Okay, so what's all this stuff? So, because this is where I get, is this another dress? Like, is that a skirt that can go over it like a ruffle that makes it something else? Or is it, it's like a puzzle. Or, no, I don't know what that is. Okay, I thought that was like that. Oh, don't lose those legs. That's why I'm so excited to have the holders like that. But that what the frick is that, Kelly? But what is this? What is this? Somebody? Is it another pair of legs, maybe? I mean, it could be, right? Let me move these off the friggin' way. I do. Let's put her. I'll have to have Dave take those off. But, so we have that. A little neck. These can be her little legs, I guess, right? Yeah, those can be legs. Definitely legs. Okay, so 2 sets of legs to make her look different. I'm not quite sure what this is. I'm going to have my daughter sit as a puzzle and do these. I love that the legs are together. I will say that. She got them on Amazon, but like I love that they keep the legs together because even like on here, because I would always be losing a leg. Then she'd have like 2 left legs. And then what is this? Is that her face? What is it? No, it can't be. Is that lips? Okay, I got that off. No, that looks like the Joker. What is that? Oh, what is it? Okay, it looks like there's bows for her hair. Completely know what that is. I know these are legs. Anybody have an idea, let me know. And then, just because I'm ridiculously stupid, I can't figure this out. So, but that's going to be how cute it is. I mean, it's just going to be so cute. I don't think they have the names, does it? It just says long-haired girl. Okay. Okay, I'm going to have to get out my machine in a little bit. Anyway, okay, so I got to stop because I'll sit here and play all day. I'll take them all apart. And I will, but I won't do it all in the video. So I am just so excited. These are fantastic. And watch. Oh, where's your one with the long hair? Oh, she's right here. Ah, it's perfect. Okay, get the frick in. There you go. Look at that. Oh, I'm so excited. All right, all right, all right. These beautiful flowers. I wanted to see the umbrella girl, but she's hard to... She got there. She got a raincoat. What the frick is this? There's like a smaller one. Do they stand on them? I don't know. I don't know. We'll see. As I do them and take them apart, I'll have to get Emily to help me because she's the smart one. All right. Thank you again, Trucker Janie. You know I love you, and I really appreciate you sending me these. I just am so happy, so blessed. Thank you so much. And as always, please be kind to each other. You never know what battle somebody else is fighting. And leave me a thumbs up, please, so I know that you guys enjoy my videos. And subscribe down below if you would like to. I got some Wiccan stuff coming up. And because I got a lot of questions on that. And some more art. I'm just kind of playing, trying to get back in the vibe. So I love you guys. I hope you guys have a fantastic weekend. And I will see you in my next video. Thank you, Janie. Bye-bye.